Today we'll talk about how can you enable reminders on your LingoDeer app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on me. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on reminders here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to reminders here. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean here reminders enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.